What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and help me reach 100 subscribers. In today's video, I'm gonna be visiting a very nice mansion with my beautiful girlfriend. We're gonna be driving about 45 minutes away from my house, so it's a little road trip, and I'll catch you guys when I pick up my girl. Alright guys, I just picked up my girlfriend. She looks so good, and now we're gonna be on our way to the mansion. So I'll catch you guys when we get there. Look at my beautiful girlfriend. Babe. Chee. I think we just made it. Moving forward. Guys, there's a fucking line. There's a fucking line to go in the mansion. Alright guys, we're finally certified. We're finally certified to get inside here. So now we're just gonna explore. That's what we can find. Of course, my beautiful girlfriend right here.
Oh look, it's right there.
Where?
The mansion.
The mansion? It looks like a university, like in the movies, huh? The mansion is big, or the property is big, that we need a whole ass map.
The pool is all the way over here.
Damn.
And the garden. This is
So
all
we're
garden.
gonna go here first, the mansion?
Yeah, right here. We're right here.
Okay. The mansion's over there. Whoa. Look at this mansion. God. So nice. Wow. Oh, look at this clock. What is this? Oh.
Oh, hell no.
I think I've seen a movie where something comes out from here, no? For the what?
The ballroom.
For the ballroom?
You look stunning.
They were in my dress.
Look at the chandelier. This is where they would dance, right?
I guess. They should do a ball here.
Oh. Yeah, let's go check out the piano real quick. Look at this art. Wow. Imagine me playing right here.
I would play.
Guys, let's take a little second to appreciate the art. I'm gonna have to hire this artist.
Do you
Oh.
see that they have sound effects?
Yeah.
Let's go.
What is this?
I want to go upstairs.
You wanna go up there? Why can't we go up there? I guess we're stuck seeing this luggage for now. I almost fell like 2 times already. Oh, I thought it was an actual dog. I thought that was an actual dog. That's the TV. What is that, a joint? A joint? Are you taking me to drink?
Look, they even put sound effects.
I'm making myself a Scotch out of rocks. Everybody else want one?
Can I have one? Wait, who's talking to me?
Okay, good. Coming up.
Oh, he's actually drinking me one. What flavors do you guys have, or what drinks? Oh, nah, he's not. That was nice. It's a nice way to hide yourself while you're drinking, I guess.
Oh, this is the library.
Harry Potter? And they got a ladder too. He looks so good. Another dog. That's the dog they had? So how's the experience so far, babe?
Good. I mean, I've been here before. So.
My girl is my little tour guide because she's actually been here before. This is the living room. I like this architecture, like the pillars like this. I like that. Guys, this place is so beautiful. Look at this. Damn, my girl keeps leaving me. My tour guide keeps leaving me. Damn, this house is so big. They don't even know what to put. I've seen like 20 couches.
I like this. I like this one. This is my favorite one. The dinner. What's it called?
Dinner table.
Dining room. Dining room.
The dining room. They had all their utensils in here?
Because it would have a lot of people over. This is my all-time favorite place right here.
Is your favorite?
The room. The kitchen.
The kitchen? You tell me that they had a safe for teacups?
The servants would leave their food for their masters and put it up to the rooms, like an elevator.
Up, down?
It's like an elevator to put their food.
Oh, okay. You just lift it or what? Another kitchen? Oh, damn. Teacup. Is someone doing dishes?
Washing.
That's her fridge.
You like coffee?
So what you're saying that this is the list of servants?
Yeah.
These are all the names.
Look, is the female, male, female. The race? Where's the race?
Language spoken in home before coming to the U.S.
This is race. These are all white.
Color of race?
It's white. Everyone here is white.
Color of race. These are all lists of people that would work for them. They would all work. There would be servants in this household. Imagine something standing on the other side of that hallway. Late at night. Late at night. Kiss me in the morning. Late at night. Hey.
I like these. 0. Okay. What's your number?
911. 9 1 1. How can I help you? Did I actually call? No. Ah. Damn, look at the ground.
Yeah.
What happened?
Coffee. They would take
25
their orders
cents
here.
to go to the Golden Gate Bridge.
I'm guessing it's the butler.
This is the butler's room.
Oh, they barely put the pajamas. Last time it wasn't good.
New York. That's us right there. What's next? Is this where they wrote the Declaration of Independence? Dear Bella, we missed you on Christmas 29, 1920. Dear Bella, we missed. I don't know what that said. Someone forgot to flush.
This is the end of our tour.
That's the end of our tour? Alright, thank you, Mrs. Tour Guide. You're out. Thank you for your service.
Absolutely. Enjoy the gardens.
Thank you. And now we are out of the mansion. How do you feel?
Very good.
That's good?
I'm motivated to do better in life.
Guys, there's still a garden. The property is very huge. That was just one part of the property, the mansion. So now we're gonna continue exploring. We're gonna go to the garden or the pool. I heard that looks very nice according to my tour guide over here. Bombastic side eye.
Coming out from here, and we're gonna go over here, and then over here.
Okay. Goodbye, mansion. Guys, I actually have a shop here. Aged metal gazebo, 16 bands. I think that's a little bit too much. A hummingbird? Thank you for being my tour guide. This was all theirs? It goes all the way over there? It goes all the way over there. All the way to the other side. This is the whole garden?
We're right here, the walled garden. Oh wait, no, we're right here. Look, the high place.
Wait, let's go over there.
Right here?
As you guys can see, this is the pond. If you guys come follow me a little bit closer, you guys could actually see the fish till this day. This was actually built in 1864. If you guys could take a little peek in here, you guys can still see the fish. Oh! Right here is where people would sit down like this. This is how people would sit down. This place is really, 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 really huge. I would get lost living here, honestly. There's so many flowers. They would have all died if they were under my hands. You have to hire so many gardeners for this.
A place to sit with your friends.
Looks so good. Alright guys, so behind me is actually a little hangout spot for your friends, family, any invitations that you guys may have. You guys follow me, these tulips were actually manufactured in a production yard of 1600s. So these pillars here, as you guys can see, were actually built by Utopian. They're accompanied by Alex the Millionaire CEO. And these black beams were very, very well structured. So shout out to him for actually being able to be a part of this project here at this house. And yeah, you guys should follow me on this garden right here if you guys come follow me. So right here we got my mom's favorite, some dead roses plants, whatever this shit this is. It has thorns. Queen Elizabeth was born here.
That's the name of the plant.
We got sunflowers right here. Some little sunflowers right here to the side. You guys can see that's part of the shop over there, I think, right?
That's the cafe.
Okay. I think Queen Elizabeth II was born right here probably or something. It's still going. Oh, I'm like hiking at this point. This house is very, very beautiful, guys. Amazing artwork, architecture, you name it. Garden, everything is well maintained here. Mrs. Tour Guide, is this gonna be expensive or not? Oh man, they got butterflies here. Then why is it caged up?
So the birds don't come up here and fuck up the plant.
Oh!
What?
Oh, that's the gardener. That's the gardener. I thought it was like an animal. Follow you. Alright guys, so in this house there's actually a lot of mysteries, a lot of different conspiracy theories. And supposedly they say that in these woods the official Julian was spotted. So come follow me, guys. So they said that around this area there's been various attacks, various coyotes, wildlife, all types of things. You guys see to my left, You guys are for sure gonna find some type of wild animal over here and to my right. You guys already heard something, right? Come follow me. I think it needs some help.
Okay, Dora the Explorer.
My tour guide is amongst the best. Thank you. What was I talking about, guys? Plenty of wildlife around here. I seen a lizard.
Lizard.
Oh. If you guys follow me behind, right here, and there's archway. It's a magical place. Supposedly there's been a lot of fairies that have been spotted around this area. If you guys follow me, we might be actually encounter a fairy ourselves. So, I'm almost as tall as this. Alright. I don't see no fairies over here. I don't see no fairies over here. Oh, I think I see one, but he's frozen. Oh, this is prehistoric plant. Triceratops used to eat these plants. Damn. Right there, I can have a banda and a group over there. I can have a musical group over there. And we could be dancing. We could be dancing. Look at this tree.
So they set up full tables and they put a jet.
Follow me. Alright, so behind me we have the pool section, the patio, where they hang out the most. This is where you want to go in and have, you know, hang out with your friends, chill out, take a little dive into the pool. Right here. This is what I call absolute beauty. Look at this, there's so much space. You can have your own little picnic here, take a dive. So nice. You got trees everywhere. This reminds me of something like the Great Gatsby. Something like so wealthy. This family was super wealthy. Look at the pool, it's so clear. This is gonna be the end of the tour guide of the mansion. The video is not over yet. We're about to go to a picnic right now. We're about to go eat and have some fun. So I'll catch you guys there. Cause we just made it to the park right now. We're gonna be eating some Chick-fil-A. And yeah, we're just gonna enjoy our picnic. And the park looks so nice. So my girl got me a gift. I'm very nervous because I don't know what this is. So she's been telling me for a week and she got me a gift. So I'm excited. I don't know what it is. I'm a little nervous.
Close your eyes first.
Close my eyes?
Like actually close them. Don't open them, okay?
Ah, I'm so fucking
like,
nervous.
I'm being serious. Don't open it, okay? Don't open it.
Did you give me a Lamborghini? Ah, what the hell? I'm so nervous. I'm trying to think. Oh, I hear paper. I hear like it's in a wrapper. Is this Chick-fil-A? I hear a box. Put your hands out.
Put your hands out. Put your hands out. Like both of them. Together. Together. Like together, babe. Put them straight. Yeah, down. Okay,
are you proposing to me?
You can open.
You are proposing to me.
No. It's a promise ring.
Damn, babe.
I don't know what was your ring size, so I just got the lowest one they had. Look.
Is that what you kept trying to measure my hand? Look. Love you.
I couldn't put I love you. It had like a limit of characters.
I don't know how to put a ring.
No, it's too big.
The battery died of the camera. I had to put a new one, but she gave me a promise ring, a gold one. I never wear rings, so it's like so weird for me. It's something new. That's her promise ring, and that's mine.
Did you show them inside?
Oh, and let me take it off. It says love you. I appreciate that. Give me a promise ring. No, it fits me good.
I know, but I just want to see if it is that one, because that one's a 9.
And my mom always wants me to wear a ring. She has rings that she gave to me, but I never wear them because I'm not used to wearing rings. Like I feel like I look weird. Like I feel like I get weird.
Especially if this is, it's good that I picked gold because it goes with your skin tone.
I look like my dad, bro. My dad like used to have rings and shit when he would go out. Oh, I was like, are you gonna propose to me? And you give me the ring. Damn, thank you, babe. I love you.
Damn, baby, looks nice. I actually like it.
Thank you, babe. I love you. Ah! Damn. Hey, what's up, shorty? See this? Damn. Hey, what's up, my boy? Alright guys, this is gonna close out today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to help me reach 100 subscribers. And I'll see you guys in the next video.